Hey tube. It's been a little bit. I got some of it out already. I think I got something in my eye, tube. But I did a big limb already. Chunked it down. We're removing this mango tree. Got most of it cut up in the truck there. And then we gotta take down the rest of this. Got a couple piles behind the chip. Got Matt and Frank out here. Look at that hinge wood though. What? That's a beautiful piece right there. Alright. So we gotta do a lot of juggling hats today, so running dingo, running chainsaw, you name it, I do it. So I'm gonna strap you to the chest today. Hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Da-ding! That tube got some Husky stuff on the Echo, you know, some Husky gas caps, because those Echo gas caps, when you run out of gas, it sucks them real tight. You need a chainsaw tool most of the time to get them off there. Just a nice little addition to my 2511. Got a Panther bar with a Panther chain converted to the quarter pitch. Thing rips, as you saw in the video. I love it. One of my favorite dogs. Took my time, got my pie cut nice. Plenty of hinge wood on that baby. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta slow down, take it a little bit easy. Now, on that one side though, I did go a little bit too deep. See where my gap closes up? I'm getting there. I'm not the best in the world, but I'm getting there. Looks pretty good to me. Frank, get it lower first.
Lower?
It and pull it. It's just gonna slide right over the top and then. Good?
Good.
We ain't even done yet. He's over there. They both did a fantastic change on. Blam tube. We're done. She gone. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications. Sorry I've been slacking. Don't forget to give us a call today for your free estimate for all your landscaping needs. Tree trimming, tree removal, stump grinding, landscaping, landscape design, lawn maintenance, pest control, and lawn care. Please give us a call today, 954-857-4571. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.